So here's the app we're going to be building, and it's going to be a fun app because we all want to know what's the weather. Okay, so first of all, you're going to see that the app looks pretty slick. It's very simplistic, but nice, I think. And you can see the first time you open the app, there is the city, a default city, in this case, Spokane, Washington, and so forth. But the beauty here is that we can do a few things. First of all, I can go ahead and tap there to go and search. I'm actually using my phone here. And I can say I want to look at Moscow. What's the weather in Moscow? Hit enter. It goes and finds Moscow, in this case, Russia. Okay, so right away you can see it gives us this week, the 7-day forecast. It gives us, we have there 4°, it's rainy, and you can see that this is also metric unit, meaning that this is all in Celsius, right? 4°. Now we can change that. First of all, before we change anything, we can actually, at the top left there, we see that heart, that's for favorite. If you tap on that, you can see that we are going to save it, add it to favorites. Okay, so that way, if I also click there, I can go to favorites. It's going to show all of the favorite cities that I wanted to know the weather for. Okay, so it's really good. And we can also go ahead and delete some of these favorites, for instance, and so forth. I'm going to go back, and Moscow is the last thing we added, so it shows there. And the great thing also you notice is that I can tap there, and I can go to About. Let's go back, say About like this, just gives us this screen about this app. Okay, and I can go back. I want to go to settings. So here's where I can change the units of measurement. So there's Celsius and there's Fahrenheit, so metric and imperial. So I'm going to change that Fahrenheit, save. If I go back, now you can see everything is in Fahrenheit. Okay, all right, good. So I can continue here and look, for instance, Rio, and hit enter. This will give him Rio GR. I don't even know what that is, but I can go ahead and save that, and voila, I go back to my favorites. You can see we have that Rio there, and of course I can delete that and go back. It will show Rio, but since we deleted from our favorites, it's going to give me the option to save into my favorites. So this is the app we're going to be building, and we're going to take small steps each time because there's a lot that we need to take care of in order to have such an application. Okay, so I hope you're ready for this awesome journey. I'll see you next.